Okay guys, welcome to another YouTube video. Why do I always say that? Anyway, today we are going to be trading a neon fawn. Maybe, if I get like good offers. I'm kind of scared because I love them both so much. So today I think I'm going to trade my normal-ish neon fawn. I believe this is the neon fawn that somebody just went in and made the original colors neon. So yeah, mostly I'm doing this because I have my other neon fawn, and this one's never for trade. Like, look how beautiful it is. I love it so much. Like, I absolutely love it. Also, if you did not know, tomorrow there is a new ocean, I almost said ocean egg. There's a new ocean pet update. That is why I spent like all my Robux on coins. As you can tell, I had like barely any Robux at all. But that is coming in just 13 hours, which honestly is not a long time. I think it's going to update at like 10 o'clock. I think, wait, I could just, here, I'll just look it up, okay? So we're gonna do, let's say 14 hours from now, 14, because it's like 13 hours and 43 minutes. I'm sorry, I have a pain in my shoulder. So if I just like silently like stop talking, that is because I'm trying not to scream. Yeah, like I went canoeing Monday and it really still hurts. So, anyway, 14 hours from now. Okay, I didn't even put a period, but I did. Okay, for me, that, why is it not, it's being weird. 13 hours, let's say 42 minutes, calculate. Okay, so it would be 8:58 a.m., which technically would be 9 o'clock. So I'm not that sure if that's that correct. So I don't know if it's updating at 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock, which would be normal, or if it's actually updating at 10 o'clock. Why did I jump like that? Anyway, so I'm just going to quickly show you guys my inventory because why not? Because I'm bored. So I have apparently 2 rabbits. I have a hamster. I have 3 snails, a rainbow llama, 2 rainbow frogs, 3 gerbils, 2 butterflies, 2 cats. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna have to accept this trade request very quickly. I just want to see what people offer. Ooh, a gem dragon. Now, I am very picky on gem dragons because I feel like they were free. Well, they were free. They, like, you just had to do, like, a little activity to get them. So I'm very picky, and I don't really like them because I feel like they're very free. So, trading neon kangaroo. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. I'm really bad at walking. They're just like, why did you just walk into me? Oh, a neon. Why did I say neon like that? A neon kangaroo. Now, honestly, I do not know if I want that because I already have one in my inventory already. That's a lot of neon giraffes. Anyway, right, where was I? I have 2 chickens. Okay, this is failing. I'm just trying to show my inventory and people keep trading me. Yeah, okay. A lot of people just accept and think they get it for free. See, they put water. That is not fair for me. I am very sorry. It is not fair for me. It's not free. Okay. See, they only put water, and it really bugs me a lot that they only put water. And then put a skateboard. Like, I think I have like 2 of those. Let me see. Oh, I have 1. Oh, yeah, I have 2 of those. What's that? I don't know. Is it for trade? What? I'm being like crowded. I feel attacked mentally. Yeah, okay. You can offer. Please don't kill my life. Why do people... Oh, I almost pressed the wrong thing. That would have been very embarrassing. Yes, you can offer, but... Okay, a rhino. See, I don't have that one. I don't have that. But I have... Let's see. I have... How many rhinos do I... Where's my rhinos? Yeah, I have 2 rhinos. So I'm just gonna have to say I don't really know. And I will let them know. I feel like a zebra is easy to get. That's just like a zebra with a neon thing on it, right? Because if so, I think I have a zebra. Or I used to have a zebra. Yeah, okay. Here are zebras. I think it's just a zebra with a neon thing on it, but I'm not that sure. Anyway, so we were at... Yeah, I have 1 lemur, 1 mammoth, 1 duck, rainbow polar bear, rainbow hedgehog, panda, zebra, squirrel, meerkat, 3 rainbow parrots. I don't know why. 3 ladybugs, 1 pony. I'm very picky with it because it's so beautiful. 2 geese, 2 toucans, 1 seal, 1 robin, 2 monarch butterflies, 2 snow leopards, 2 bees, 2 lemurs, rainbow flamingo and normal flamingo. I'm trying to go by this really fast, so if someone like interrupts me with a trade. Is this the same person? No. Okay, I feel like those are very easy to get. 2, I don't even want to know how to say that. Sugar glider, 2 stingray, 2 rhino, 2 owl, 3 pig, cows. That's not a, okay. This person keeps spamming me. And then obviously you can see the rest. I have a neon arctic fox, 2 lions, elephant, okay, neon alien, neon kitsune, basically, neon red panda, neon shark, neon phoenix, neon pegasus, neon kangaroo, neon dragon, 2 neon giraffes, a neon wyvern, however you say it, and a normal one, 2 neon fawns, a neon bush baby, a normal orangutan, a normal flying pig, and a normal skelly T-Rex. Now, most of those pets are either not for trade or I'm extremely picky with them. Mostly extremely because I'm just extremely picky with them. Like, insanely picky with them. For no reason. See, I have a skelly T-Rex too, but at least I'm not flexing it. So yeah, I'm actually like way richer than people originally think. People come up to me and call me poor, and then like I pull out like, oh goodness, what did I pull out? I pull out like my skelly T-Rex or whatever, and then people start freaking out and saying how rich I am. It's really awkward, actually, like insanely awkward. Apparently they're fair for a reindeer. I never knew that, but I guess so. People are just staring into my soul. I feel really weird about that. Training for neon pegasus. See, they're really not that rare, and that's an ugly flying pig. Like a very ugly flying pig. Oh my goodness. Okay. If you do come across flying pigs, please do not go for ugly ones. Go for pretty ones like mine. Like this. Okay, this isn't that pretty now that I have like an illustration. But at least go for ones that look okay. I think I'm going to name this melted chocolate chip, by the way. Just because it looks like a melted chocolate chip. Or like chocolate chip cookie or something. Anyway, I believe that will be it for today, since I'm not really getting any trade requests. As I know, oh, okay. I might as well do this before I go, right? Might as well. Okay. If people don't put in a good pet at the start, I just automatically decline. Because I'm too lazy to sit there with bad pets being offered. So, thank you all for watching, and I hope you have an amazing rest of your week or day. I don't know if I'm going to upload tomorrow. I might. Okay, goodbye.